I'm Tegan Ashby. I'm the technical delegate of the Scots Interschools that we're running today. We're in our 9th year of running this competition. We've got 140 riders representing 44 different schools, coming from as far away as Melbourne, Wagga, Leeton, Griffith and there and surrounds. We've got 18 Scots students competing today. Their riders are competing in a range of disciplines from dressage to show jumping to mountain rider, handy mount and novelties. So this event was created 9 years ago just as there wasn't an inter-school event in the region. We're now a qualifier for the state inter-schools that's held at Werribee, where riders represent the school again and they can then qualify to represent the state at nationals. So our aim is to provide an affordable competition for all our riders, and this is thanks to the help of the school staff as well as our wonderful sponsors.